Benny, thank you. Really, I don't think I'm like that cute, but thank you. Thank you. What's trending? I'll check it out when I'm done with my live stream. By the way, what's trending? You didn't even tell me where you come from. Isadora, my day is doing fine, and I went shopping in the morning, basically. Bought some groceries and some miscellaneous things that I need. Rafaela, thank you for your comment. Hearts for you. April girl. Yes, I do know her. Why are you asking? Catelia. Thank you, Catelia. You cutesy. Daily, I'm not ignoring you, Daily. I'm not ignoring you. Some things you're saying, I don't know what to help you with, to be honest. I wish I could, but I can't. Thank you, Benny. Appreciate your comment. Thank you. Every girl, I just answered you. I said, yes, I do know her. And I asked you, why are you asking? Really, Benny, you're like, you should go and love yourself. You're reminding me that song. I don't think it's a good thing to love yourself. My mama don't like you when she likes everyone. And I never liked you, admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh maybe you should go and love yourself. My mama don't like you when she likes everyone. Ceci, thank you. April, I said yes. I make Benny, thank you for your comment. Sino, yes, I'm in Africa. Thank you for your comment. You all, don't tell me you like that song. I think it's a Justin Bieber song. Yeah, it was a really nice song. So basically, it's like if you think you look that much, you should go and love yourself. It's a nice song. Oh, I keep singing people like that. Okay, let me see. My mama don't like you when she likes everyone, and I never lied to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. 'Cause if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Ceci, thank you for your comment. Thank you, Rafaela. Mwah, I appreciate you. The food here are healthy, I'd say. Marhaba Davud. Thank you for your comment. Benny, I think everyone does love themselves. Davud, thank you for the cute emojis, hearts for you. Thank you. Ceci, Tao, thank you for your comment. Benny, thank you. Oh, I'm not really that good though. I'm just practicing. Joel, oh, you're still working. Good to hear that. I'm doing amazing. Thank you for your comment. Red fishing. Okay, have a nice day.